Hello students. So there are certain advantages and disadvantages of biological control of weed. In advantages, first one is the environmental friendly because we use biological control agent, for example insects and other organisms. So there is very less chances that they affect the environment. Second one is the economical in long run because if we apply certain biocontrol agent in the field, so in long run we expect that their progeny will control the weed. Third one is the self-sustaining, as in case of inoculative approach, we mainly use one generation and we expect that their upcoming generation will control the weed. So it is also the self-sustaining. Fourth one is the preserve biodiversity because biological control agents are very specific to weeds, so they don't attack or don't disturb the biodiversity. So this is also help in preserving the biodiversity. Fifth one is the no chemical residue buildup because in biological control no chemical are applied in the field, so there is very less chances or no chances of the residual problem in the field. Sixth one is the no herbicide resistance because we know we don't use the chemicals, then there is very less chances or no chances of the herbicide resistance in any specific weed. And there are certain disadvantages of biological control agent. First one is the initial cost is very high because to set up the biological control lab or to generate the biocontrol agents, the initial cost is very high, and they also have very slow actions, and we cannot get extinct result from biocontrol agent. Third one is the limited use. We cannot apply biocontrol agent anywhere or everywhere. So it is also have the limitation of a limited use. Fourth one is if a biocontrol agent is foreign origin, that may affect the environment and they may affect on the local flora and fauna. So this may be disadvantages of the biocontrol agents. And fourth one, if we are thinking of apply the bioherbicides, so there is need to registration with the environmental protection agency. We cannot apply the bioherbicide without the registration with environmental protection agency. So these are the certain advantages and disadvantages of biological control of weed. So this topic is now over, and this is all about the biological control of weed. Thank you.